Naalala ko bigla yung kwento between Katrina Halili, si Hayden Ko. Kumain na ba ang lahat? I'm intrigued. Totoo nga kaya ang mga leaked messages na kumakalat sa social media involving si Rob, Herlene at Bianca? Quick facts muna tayo. Fresh na fresh, ngayon marami tayong mga nakitang screenshots sa social media na conversations between, una, si Rob Gomez involving si Herlene Budol. Meron ding mga lumabas na conversation between Rob Gomez and si Bianca Manalo. Kaya nga, usong-usong ngayon yung he's not here, he's in Valenzuela na quote. So, sikat yan. And then, pagdating naman kay Herlene and kay Rob, yung kainan na lumalabas na mga memes. Medyo naughty-naughty yung mga lumalabas na yan. But we really don't know kung totoo ito. In fact, ang isa sa mga inaakala o pinagsususpetsahan na nag-release ng mga screenshots na ito ay ang live-in partner ni Rob na si Shyla. Hindi natin alam kung ano talaga yung sitwasyon kasi last August, from being single, he now confirmed that he has a daughter and a live-in partner of Shyla. We don't know kung ano yung current status nila ngayon kasi based on sa conversation, it's as if hindi si Shyla at si Rob, they're not in a relationship, kaya parang pumapasok daw si Herlene Budol. Now, may mga memes din na kumakalat showing si Andrea Brillantes, fresh na fresh from the Katniel breakup, si Andrea pinapasa ang corona kay Herlene. Bakit nga kaya? Meron din akong nakita na si Daniel Padilla naman ay ipinapasa ang kanyang sash kay Rob. Napakarami ng mga umiikot, nagsisirculate ng mga pictures, videos, at kung ano-ano pa, even commentaries about sa issue tungkol sa kung kumain na nga ba tayong lahat. Ngayon, ang take ko dyan, parang naalala ko bigla yung kwento between Katrina Halili, si Hayden Ko, naalala nyo ba yung Careless Whisper? And then si Dr. Vicky Velo. And at some point, between, bago si Katrina, merong si Maricar at saka si Hayden. So parang yun yung na-reminisce ko after seeing all the pictures, the screenshots. The thing is, let's just say na ang talagang source ng mga screenshots na to ay yung live-in partner ni Rob. Kung totoo man na siya daw ang nag-leak ng mga messages ng mga screenshots na ito, is it really possible na napagod na kaya siya sa pagiging babaero or womanizer ni Rob? May mga napabalita rin before na may mga domestic issues, even usage of drugs. Now, pagdating naman kay Herlene at saka kay Rob, ano bang relationship meron sila? They just finished a show entitled Magandang Dilag. Probably nabuo yung kanilang relationship doon. And another thing is, even Bianca Manalo herself is also included in that show. Now that all these things are out, kung totoo man ang mga ito, ang nakikita ko dito ay these are grand exposures of all their activities. It so happens lang na medyo complicated yung kanilang mga sitwasyon dahil parang yung infidelity is very evident in what's really happening between the five of them. Now, dahil ito'y grand exposure, it seems like the world, the universe, is teaching these characters a wonderful lesson in life. They could either be a victim, they could be bitter about all the information that's out there as of the moment, or they could come out really stronger right after this phase of their life. Kung totoo man ang lahat ng nangyayaring ito, itong mga nasaksihan natin, I think some of them will go through the stages of acceptance. Importante yan. Una, they really have to accept and admit to themselves na yes, we are guilty, these happen. They don't need to confirm this publicly, but they should know kung ano talaga ang totoong sitwasyon. And acceptance really is that important phase that they all have to go through. Forgiveness is another thing. Not just forgiving kung sino man yung nag-leak ng message, but also forgiving themselves kung totoo man na nagkaroon talaga sila ng mga ganitong extracurricular activities. And as they accepted and forgiven those who are involved in the situation, what's really important is the healing process. Because only with healing process, that's when they get to appreciate kung ano man yung nakakahiya, humiliating, embarrassing situation that they are in right now. And as they go through that, naaalala nyo nga yung kwento ni Dr. Hayden and Dr. Vicky Bello. And at the same time, ang mga involved dyan, una ay si Katrina Halili. But prior to that, naalala natin si Maricar Reyes had that scandal with Hayden. Parang ang naging conclusion there was, si Hayden may sakit. No wonder ang dami niyang mga sex scandals na mga videos. And people thought, hindi dapat ito, hindi tama. Kasi nung una parang everyone's just so interested. And then towards the end, yung license ni Hayden got revoked. So no one wanted him. Parang nagkaroon na yung cancel culture, very evident that it happened to Hayden. But the good thing about that is, kaya ko siya naaalala, if our main characters as of the moment in the names of si Rob, si Herlene, including Bianca, and the live-in partner, Shyla, if they all go through the right process and there's healing, mangyayari din possibly sa kanila yung nangyari kay Hayden. He now has a renewed relationship or good faith, and at the same time, a really good career. He's I think, a managing director of the Bello Medical Group. So, a lot of good things happened. But then again, they went through the lowest part of their relationship. And of course, yung publicity nung time na yon, it was really bad. And it's very similar to what we are seeing right now. So, we don't know. We'll wait for the progress ng balitang ito. Ngayon, hindi porket nangyayari ito kay Rob, kay Herlene, kay Bianca, including Shyla, this is not happening. Kaya tayong mga Marites ay talagang naka-tune in, nagbasa tayo, marami tayong nakikinig, naghihintay ng mga updates is because it's real. These things are really happening. And at the same time, maski tayong mga normal na tao, tayong mga netizens, ay may mga possibilities na mangyari din sa atin yan. Well, what I'm campaigning right now dito sa Transform Media PH is that everyone have the right to access healing. Like, I know of a lot of healing modalities and our team could certainly help you in that. Because I know that this is a phase that we all don't want to get into. Imagine kung totoong nangyari yan, syempre, they know at the back of their heads na eventually puputok or may makakaalam at makakaalam nito. They never expected for these things to blow up at this time, magpapasko. Sa dami ng mga nangyayari sa showbiz industries, di ba? Or industry, right? And so, we would like to ensure din naman na if this happens to a regular people like us or including them, there are healing modalities out there. And Transform Media PH can certainly assist you in that aspect. So for now, maghintay na lang tayo. Iwasan nating maging judgmental, maski na funny ang kumain na nga ba ang lahat. But I just hope na hindi totoo at kung ito man ay talagang nangyayari. Acceptance, forgiveness, and full healing ang kailangan. Ang sa ganon, ma-turn out pa rin tong bad events na ito into something beautiful.